So welcome to Laser Gadgets. This time Fallout AER 9 Special Edition. The next thing might be the unreleased railgun on my new channel Selfmade, so keep an eye on that too. I will link it in the description and on the video. And what you see here is the AER 9 Special Edition, the unused design. You can find it on Google. Pick search. Forgot the guy's name, but I like his design a lot better. Cylinder in the rear and a bit different in the front. Tiny barrel. I just like it a lot better. First cool feature: the energy cell. The lever will release it, and if you put it in, it lights up in the rear and in the front. LEDs, just to make it a bit cooler. And the charge button for the pulse laser is on the grip. The main switch is actually pretty simple, just a push button and a spring-loaded cylinder, and when you push in the energy cell, it pushes the main switch. That's why we will go for slow motion now. You see shape. I'm a bit surprised and shocked. That's a flat bar steel. Try that with your damn wicked laser pointer. It's really marked. Not deep, but yeah, pulse laser style. So the internals, heatsink of the charger, charging resistor, a lot of wires. That's the main switch, battery plug socket, capacitors, and pulse laser. And when you're done, off it goes. And off. So that's it for the day. I will wrap this up, take out the pulse laser, put a blue laser in, and get it on the road. To all guys who want one, check out the for sale section on lasergadget.com. Email me, and to the rest, to the guys who like to watch, follow me on Twitter, Facebook, like it, sub me, share the hell out of it, make it go around the world. And yeah, next time on my other channel, tutorial channel, Selfmade, we make a railgun, pretty simple one. And check out that too. Sub it if you like, and I'll see you next time.